Okay guys, I wanna use the super clean degreaser on this really dirty, nasty floor mat, and I'm not gonna use the straight formula. I'm gonna use the diluted formula 4-to-1, and I'm not gonna even pre-treat it or vacuum or do anything like that. I'm just gonna go straight with the degreaser, use a brush, and after that I'm just gonna use the pressure washer to rinse it. Okay, let's go. Do it a little bit more, it's too dry. Okay, as you can see, one time is enough. If you have a lighter carpet and after one time you see some spots, you can go second time or just do the spot cleaning. Then it's wet, you can vacuum it if you have a wet and dry vacuum, or you can just hang it and waiting until it's dry. It's gonna take a couple hours. So this is it, super clean. It's the best stuff.